Okay, so today we have a topic is linear equation in one variables. So we will discuss about the linear equation in one variables. Okay, let's see. So here is linear equation in one variable. So how can I denote it to linear equation? First of all, we will discuss about what is the equations and how can you define. Okay, we have some type of algebraic expression. So we can write here 2x plus 3 and 4x minus 3. Okay, 3x plus 4y plus 3. This type we have algebraic expressions. Okay, algebraic expression we have different types of algebraic expressions. So in divided in different types of according to terms. When we have a single term, so we call them is monomial. Okay, when we write here 2x plus 2, is there the two terms? Okay, so we call them binomial. And when we write there the three terms, so three terms we can write there this way, 4y plus 5. So it is the three terms. We call them is trinomial. Okay, so this is the expression of algebraic expression according to term we can divide here. Okay, and we need to explain there the linear equation in one variable. So we will take only one variables, 2x plus 3. Okay, when we write the put equal to 0, so that is the reason we call them the equations. Okay, so 2x plus 3 is a equation. Which types of equation? So let's discuss according to power. Okay, if there any equation is variables is power is 1. So I'm writing here ax plus b. So look at this. Ax plus b is equal to 0. If variables is power is 1. So that is the reason is a linear equation. Okay. So when we write the any ax square plus bx plus c, so we call them, it is a quadratic equation because its variables is power is 2. Okay. So in this topic, we will discuss only linear equation one variable. So we will take some example how can I solve these questions. Okay, let's discuss. So we already tell you ax plus b is a general equations and b is a constant term. Okay, and if there the general equation ax plus b equal to 0, and one more condition is here, a not equal to 0. If they're a equal to 0, so we cannot define it as the general equations, linear equation. Okay, so it is, we can take there a not equal to 0, or variables is compulsory is power is 1. So we can define easily it is a linear equation. Okay, so we in this linear equation we can do adding, subtraction, division, multiplication, many things we can use it. Okay. How can I solve this? We have some example, plus 5 equal to 12, and we need to solve this. How can I find this variables value? Okay. So we can use a transpose method. So plus 5 we have a here, and we will take this side. So when we take any transpose of any numbers, so automatically is there the sign change. Okay. So plus 5 is converted when we take here. So plus 5 is converted to minus 5. So 12 minus 5. So you got the answer is 7. Okay. Clear? If we need to find that it is a correct answer or not, so we will check. How can I check? So we will put this 7 value equation. When we have an answer, we will put this equation. Okay. So we have equation is x plus 5 is equal to 12. And we have answer is 7. So we want to check it is correct or not. So we will put 7 plus 5, 12 equal to 10. So both LHS and RHS condition is same. Okay. That is the reason we call them is there. It is correct answer. Let's take it next example. 3x minus 2 equal to 10. Okay, in this equation, we will check how can I solve this type of equation. A 3x minus 2, we will take this side, 10 plus 2 and 3x, we will get there 12. Okay, 10 plus 2 is 12 and x equal to 12 plus 12 divided by 3, and the multiply number we can do here divide. So 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12. So we will get the answer is 4. Same after that we want to check it is correct or not. We will put here this an equation. We'll check 3 4 minus 2 equal to 10. 3 4 is 12 minus 2 equal to 10. 12 minus 2 is 10. So both side LHS and RHS condition is same. Okay, clear? So it's correct answer. Similarly, we have a many example we have. Okay, let's take one more example we have. Let's take this example. How can we solve? Z by 4 plus 2 equal to 6. We need to find that value Z. So how can I find? So plus 6 and plus 2 we will take this side minus 2. Okay, and Z by 4 and 6 minus 2 is 4. We need to find the value of Z. So we can use here cross multiplication. Z multiply with Z, Z multiply with 1. So we will get the Z. 4 multiply with 4. 4 4s are 16. Okay, so